Just thought I'd make a video because today's kind of a big day. I'm actually headed off the mountain. You remember a couple years ago I headed off the mountain and had you all follow with me on the Yugo adventure. Actually, a couple times we went off the mountain for that one. This one's kind of different. So, I've been working on getting the garage all set up. I do a lot more work here at the house as far as repairs, but don't really do, I don't really do any of the videos on restorations, but that's about to change. So I am actually going off the mountain for the first time to pick up what I hope to be is a car hauler, a dolly, that I can bring some of these projects back to the house easier, save some money in the long run by not having to pay tow truck drivers to come all the way out and get that stuff. And if that works out, well, then stop number 2 right down the road is a guy who's got a whole bunch of Volkswagens. So this is like the beginning of 2 new phases in Farpoint Farms. I'm going to be hopefully picking up a bunch of project cars and a vehicle or a hauler in order to get those vehicles back to the house. So the old T100 with over 300,000 miles, 316 on it right now. Still trucking, man, still trucking. So let's get this party started, shall we?
Well, there we go. Mission success. Got ourselves a nice little car dolly here. We'll take a look at it more at the house. Needs one tire. That was unexpected. But as a bonus, I got some snowflakes for the old rabbit truck, too. That was also unexpected.
Well, there it is. I made it back to the house here. It's just a few hours before nightfall. This is going to be a big deal here for the farm and for Farpoint Restorations, because with this, I'll now be able to go pick up more cars that don't run at all, and bring them up here without having to pay that tow bill. It keeps my overall costs low. I'll be able to recoup the costs I spent on this in probably the first vehicle that I tow home and flip. But long term, it looks like there's some issues here. This tire needs to be replaced. The other tire's okay. The lights are cracked and some of them work, some of them don't, so I'll go ahead and replace those. That's, $20, $40. The rest of it, though, looks great. Came with brand new straps. The hooks here all look in good shape. I'm not even sure what type of trailer this is. I think it's a Towmaster, but I have to try to find the serial number on it, which is another weird part about this whole purchase, is that in North Carolina, these things don't require a title, which I hated, because how do you know it's not stolen? The person I bought it from is a nice elderly gentleman. Certainly doesn't seem like the thieving type, but who's to say that he didn't buy it from a guy who bought it from a guy who bought it from a guy that somewhere along the line stole it? So I hate that about it. Can't find a VIN number on there, but if I find one, I guess I'll have to run it and find out if this really is my trailer or not. But that being said, I will get much more in depth with this thing, repack the wheel bearings, do the lights and stuff like that with y'all here in future videos. But for today, thanks for coming along with the ride down to, where was that? Middlebury? I don't know. Anyway, someplace. I'll see you next time.